of engine component. Here's an example of what LCA can achieve when implemented to assess environmental impact of metal products. This LCA quantifies climate change impact of engine component that is manufactured through metal machining. There are 4 steps in doing LCA. First, goal and scope definition, where we define the aim in quantifying climate change impact of 100 kg metal machining product with system boundary start from raw material extraction up to manufacturing stage. Next, life cycle inventory, where all data is collected, followed by life cycle impact assessment, where the climate change impact is calculated. Lastly, interpretation to conclude which part causing highest environmental impact and which alternative giving the best result. The process starts from raw material extraction, followed by forging of steel, and then foundry for iron, and then lastly manufacturing, where some of the process happen, such as machining, compressed air, heat treatment, surface treatment, and so on. The results are shown based on different processes to manufacture the engine component. Different scenarios show alternative suppliers located in different countries who can supply forged steel and cast iron. In this case, scenario 3 results lowest climate change impact. It shows the importance of sourcing material, the technology used by suppliers, their location, or the electricity sources used by them affecting the total climate change impact of the products.